From microbeads in facial cleansers, to synthetic fibers shed from clothing, to microplastic brushes in industrial cleaning, virgin microplastics are everywhere. They enter the ocean with currents and are accidentally eaten by marine life, destroying the balance of the food chain. The natural decomposition and daily wear and tear of waste plastics have aggravated the formation of secondary microplastics. To effectively control microplastics, we must first start by reducing the use of disposable plastics. We can choose to use environmentally friendly shopping bags, water cups, and tableware, reject single-use plastic products, and use degradable plastics to avoid the generation of secondary microplastics. Secondly, while promoting source control, we also need to pay attention to the sustainable production of plastics and recycling. As an advanced plastic recycling method, pyrolysis technology decomposes waste plastics into pyrolysis oil, syngas, and carbon black, realizing resource recycling. At present, Beston plastic cracking technology is constantly improving. It has become an important method for recycling waste plastics.